When groups come together, something magical happens. It is as if in some other dimension the individuals have already plotted what they'd like to work on, and who would be required to best mirror that what needs to be shifted.
Jason and I tap into this unseen wisdom with pendulums to identify the collective story and to find the best person in the group, the one who is just at the right energy frequency and point in their lives to be the conduit for the change needed for the whole group.
We then use all our life alignment tools, such as vortex cards and charts, to help the priority person release any blockages and to heal the story.
The insights and tools discovered during this process are then reflected on by the group, leaving each person with tools and tasks to support their continued journey until the next time the group will meet.
At Radiant Life Alignment, we facilitate many different kinds of workshops. We have monthly energetic support groups and also weekend workshops covering all kinds of topics with the intention of personal growth.